Mr. Langley.
All right, I got a couple questions for you, Mr. Langley. How are you preparing these boys for their future?
Through the AgMech program, they start out in Intro to Ag Mechanics. In the Ag Mechanics class, they're going to learn how to weld. They receive AWS certifications, 3 AWS certifications, the AWS D1.9 and the D1.1 welding certification. They learn how to build and develop plans for their projects. As a junior, they start building projects. They'll normally build a smaller project like a fire pit or a barbecue pit, and then as a senior they'll build a bigger project like a flatbed or a trailer or something like that. Had several students go off to trade schools and learn more about welding. I've had students that go into the welding profession right out of high school, and then other students that go into engineering and stuff like that. So they can go either which route.
Very interesting. How important to these guys that you get them certified?
Last year I had probably a 96 percentile of every student that I have got certified. So it's a kind of a competition for the kids to get certified. It kind of makes the class fun in that sense.
Sweet. Within the welding class, other than welding, what are you teaching these guys?
We learn a lot about welding. We learn a lot about electricity, how electricity works. You got to have electricity to make a welder make an art. We learn about plumbing, wiring, pretty much a little of everything. It just depends on what projects we build. Like this year we built a trailer. We're building a flatbed for a 1-ton pickup, so they're going to learn how to wire and wiring and diagrams and stuff like that. The Overlander trailer that we're building this year, there's plumbing, electrical, solar powered, so it just kind of depends on the projects, but we cover a little of every trade that's out there.
All right, thanks, sir. Thanks for your time.